Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you need a phone mount for your car, but there's really no dash space and you don't want to bolt something to the dash, you don't want to stick something to the dash, but you have a cup holder, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, did you know that there is a way to use the cup holder as a phone mount? I was like, well, I got to check that out. So they sent this to me, but no way whatsoever will this be provided to me affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. Let's show you how it works. So this is what you get. You have this cup holder device. Has an extension here that comes up. You have some articulation movement here, and then you have a way to clamp the phone in there, and then when you press a button, it can unlock. This is how easy it is to use. You take this piece right here and you spin it, and what you'll notice is when you spin it, these pieces come out. So as a soft rubber feel here. This is a rubber coating here for grip. You screw this, place it where you want it to go, give it a couple spins, and now it is, it's in there. It's not moving. Then you have some articulation here, depending on, how you want to look at it. It is configured with a slit right here in the bottom. So if you have a phone and the charger is on the bottom, you take the phone, you lay it in there, you give it a nice little squeeze. And then if you wanted to keep it plugged in, you can do that. Face it in the direction that you want to view it. And then all you got to do, just twist it, and now you have a phone mount that is facing the exact position you want, and it's using the cup holder. Very, very cool. From the cup holder up, at the top of the cup holder, look at about 6.5 inches. This can be extended all the way up to a height of roughly about 9.5 inches. Then as you can see here, you have full mobility this way and this way. You can also, on the bottom here, give it a couple twists, and you can spin it this way or this way. And then you basically just lock it into the exact position you want. To kind of give you an idea of how big of a cup holder this would work in, you're looking at about 4 inches. So if your hole for the cup is about 4 inches in diameter, this is gonna fit and this is gonna work. So you can see how easy it is to take the phone out. You just pinch these two little clips right here. It automatically zooms out. You can take this out. It's got a nice rubber base here, rubber base on each one of these sides, and on the bottom, put the phone in, give it a little squeeze. It's in place. It's not going anywhere. Take it out just like that. Very, very cool. So if you're looking for a cell phone holder that fits in your cup holder, hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.